When Zulkarnain reached Babylon, he fell ill and realized that it was a fatal disease. Suddenly, he thought of his mother. So he planned a strategy to persuade his mother and sent a healthy sheep to his mother. And at the same time, bequeathed that if I die, then these sheep should be slaughtered and food should be prepared with it. And only those should be invited to the dinner table who have never been tested in any way or who have never lost a loved ones. So after the death of Zulkarnain, his will was carried out. But to the surprise of all there, no one came to the dinner table, and the reason, there is no house in the world that has not been tested or faced trials, or that hasn't bear the losing of someone close. So his mother understood the message of her son and began to pray